If you're dreaming of stylish, single-level living, welcome home. Let's introduce you to The Retreat, a stunning new model home built by HHHunt Homes. With up to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, this single-family home offers comfort, charm, and convenience, all on one level. Step inside and you're greeted by a bright, airy foyer. Just off the entryway is a flexible study, ideal for a home office, a creative studio, or even an additional bedroom. Conveniently connecting to the study in the courtyard, a half bath adds thoughtful touches where you need it most. As you continue down the hall, the home opens up in the most welcoming way. Large windows fill your home with natural light and offer serene views of your private courtyard. Just past this sunny space, you'll find a secondary bedroom with its own private bath. At the heart of The Retreat is an open concept flow between the kitchen, nook, and family room, designed for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen features a large island, generous counter space, and a walk-in pantry ready to inspire your inner chef. The nook is perfect for casual dining, while the family room invites gathering and relaxation. Tucked just off the family room is the private suite, a true retreat within the retreat. This spacious bedroom includes a luxury bathroom with a dual-sink vanity and a massive walk-in closet that can accommodate even the most extensive wardrobe. And there's more. The retreat also includes a laundry room, a 2-car garage, and a beautiful 3-season room in the model, with options including a covered or screened-in porch, depending on your preference. Looking for more flexibility? Additional floor plan options include converting the study into a bedroom with a full bath, or replacing the courtyard with a full bedroom and bath, giving you the ability to personalize your space to fit your lifestyle. Contact us at HHHunt Homes to see how we can make your dreams a reality. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.